Before video start, can you please subscribe? Thank you. One click from you will make my day. I appreciate it.
Okay, I have one issue with this video. It should have started, instead of just starting like that, this is how it should have started.
Okay, look, dude, this is not. Russell, hold on, wait, Russell, that's not what it looks like. That is not. What do you want? What do you want? Dude,
it's your birthday today. Should I tell my mom? It's your birthday today? Okay, I'm gonna tell my mom. My mom's gonna say happy birthday, but she's not gonna be on stream. Just for you, man. Oh, happy birthday. Are you ready, Mom?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Hey, hey, hey!
잘 가.
Good night!
Have a good night.
I want to make macaroni or something. I don't know. Wait a second. Bro, what you doing? Dude.
what happened?
That.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my god.
How did it happen?
I don't even know. The edge, it leans over. Remember?
And it fell over?
Yeah, it leans over. It's done that. Like, I've literally just been doing stuff on there, like leaning over. Me and Janice have done that in the past.
Oh shit!
Surprisingly cool with it because we just didn't have a lot of time at the press conference that year to make this thing. So I had a very, very limited time budget for this trailer, and this is what I came up with.
Shapewear makes me feel really confident and cinched in, but comfortable.
There you go. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you next time.
Just like, hey! Okay, this is the cake. Calling someone in 2019, right? Calling was weird, right? No, I don't want the stream to end. Never. It won't end crazy. Imagine calling someone. Every time you get drunk, you want to call people. I know, it's weird, right? No, call them and try to make a new friend. Don't worry, Jazz, your secret's safe. Okay, I need to pee again because I'm drinking. Oh, clap? Okay, we're gonna make it happen, okay, guys? You guys keep asking, and I fucking will. I need to pee, okay? One sec, okay? Bye. Oh, I heard something.
You don't have to act so weird.
At what limit will you still forgive your partner's cheat in relationship? Once and goodbye.
Welcome to the club. The name is Dr. Disrespect. The amount of awards, medallions, the Blockbuster 90
1993-1994 video game champion trophies that are in my cabinets 40 feet deep into the wall. All of those things are ever.
Wake up, guys! Boob is just fat. Same with your ass, but? Okay? There's no hope or dream, okay? Nothing inside. Boob is just fat. Boobs are future? 違うよ Nothing だから。Why guys dreamed about boob so much? My past. Ass is muscle, boob is just fat だよ.
뭐?
마지막처럼?
마지막처럼.
Wait. 잠깐만. My camera is dipped inside the soup. Hey guys.
Oh my god.
Wait. Oh my god. Dipped inside.
Yeah, she dipped challenge.
Lil Prip, let's show truck.
Lil Soy on the beat.
Hey! Oh my god, Ronnie. I need a bad fuck a bitch. Smoking biscotti and cookie on mix. Got me a perfect bitch. She didn't want me, she want me again. If I step out, they want pics. Let the law hope to the den like a tick. Turn them a bus in the face.
You're so fatty! Count us down from 5! We got the 5, the 4, the 3, 2, the 1, and the 0! Oh!
Okay,
This did not work.
She's still like, damn, that melon, dude. All right, and then Sam, now you gotta sit down as well.
Okay, no, wait. Now how Sam should fall down is she has another one. Oh, and she has to sit down immediately. Okay.
Okay. She did it. And that means.
Washington is the winner.
Jay traveling for the 6 months. John is my daddy. Same. Chief. I'm just kidding. He calls me dad. Chief, but anyways, think of the 2 months. I'm overwhelmed. Hold on. Morbid, mine. Think of this. Was that a joke? What, that we broke up or that John calls me daddy? The first one was a joke.
On this.
F's in the chat for Logan Paul, dude.
Fuck Logan Paul. Fuck both the Paul brothers.
Jeez.
Spot, can you check your DMs? Sorry.
Did you ever think about challenging him to a lightsaber duel?
Yeah, just like through your phone or something. It's fine.
Very few online content.
Discord.
Okay. And lightsaber dueling.
From Biddy.
I'd take them both on at once, full force with 2 lightsabers.
This is about to be a drama alerter right here.
Dude.
There's a fatty calling out the Logan Paul brothers.
Yo, Airsoft Fatty, would you box him? Would you box Logan Paul?
Fuck no! Look, my specialties is lightsabers. I'm nowhere near ready to box anyone.
Iconic thing, and I don't have time to show off a lot of his gameplay. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just focus on like one moment with General Rom showing up in KI. And they were surprisingly cool with it because we just didn't have a lot of time at the press conference that year to make this thing. So I had a very, very limited time budget for this trailer. And this is what I came up with.
Shapewear makes me feel really confident and cinched in, but comfortable.
There you go. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you next time. Okay. All right.
Seriously, okay. Are you guys ready? 准备好了吗? Okay, let's go. 시작해보도록 할게요. You will get 5 seconds to see the word. You have to follow given instruction. Let's have 3, 2, 1, the test. Feel in the boobs. What?
If Syria was a less sympathetic regime to Iran, and Iran is supporting Hezbollah in Lebanon, then that would make
Pepe
sense, right?
wins.
This is a geography issue, basically, yeah? And a logistics issue?
Sorry, I missed that. Could you say it again, please?
Jesus Christ. Okay. In any case...